Yeah, in this video, I will actually show you the trades we have taken throughout the week, and then also the possible trades we could take the following week, plus some lessons that we've learned, and then some psychological insights. So you have to be patient a little bit for you to grasp that. So we cannot just focus on next week without telling us what happened last week. So this is what happened last week. So on 19, that was 19th, yes. So we were saying we will have to FOMC coming up in the next few minutes. I'm expecting the dollar to strengthen, and then I will be selling Euro USD and GBP USD. That was on 19th, and then this same thing was also sent into the group. I sent it into the group. You can check out our Throne FX group. This is where I send free trades. So like the trading here is open sourced. We send the trade before it plays out. After it plays out, we analyze it. So this was the whole thing. And then this was the possible movement for Euro USD that I had said I would sell, and also GBP USD. And as you can see throughout the week, we've made profits from this trade. This is a counter trade. We're trading against the trend. So it's one of those trades you want to enter quickly and then get out quickly. You don't want to delay in. Hold it maybe for 2-3 days until the target is hit and then you're out. Of course, we traded the other dollar pairs. And the way I trade them is usually different. I send you guys to the rest. I know how I trade them, but you don't want to do that now. But anyway, and at the end of the week, this is just actually how add movements about 50 or 70 pips on GBP USD and also Euro USD, all those pips. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this is because number one, it's free and it is open source. And also that is how we do it. All the trades that we will possibly trade, we share them in the YouTube, or you find our trading inside on X, YouTube, and then the actual trades, you will take them with us on the Telegram group if you're in the group. So we were, of course, tracking gold and other unconfirmed pairs in our last video. We never quite got what we wanted. So we had to improvise within the week. And then we did that with Euro USD and GBP trade that I had sent out. So let me break these two trades because we can still have an opportunity to trade them the coming week. So we had, of course, this is an area of resistance that we're expecting the price to eventually go into. But if you study this candle well, you will see it has broken above this high. So the whole of this becomes an important area, a price difference area. Okay, meaning in the long run, what we want to see is price pulling back into this area, giving us a confirmation pattern, and then we can trade it to the upside. So we're basically trading against the trend here, counter trading. But you need to do that carefully. We don't do that all the time, but of course we need certain confirmations. So coming onto the 4-hourly time frame, this is exactly the reason why we were able to trade them. Two reasons. Number one, the technicals were aligning and giving us a signal for sell. So this is actually what was happening on the signal. The price was failing to break this high and then giving us a price difference. That is why I was talking about selling it. This is the first reason. The second reason is because we had FOMC on that day. You can see on Wednesday 19, there was FOMC at around 9 p.m. local time here. So because of this FOMC that was coming, I knew that the dollar would actually strengthen a little bit because the dollar has been rallying weak. So all of this has been an indication of dollar weakness. So once we saw this pattern here with the double top, the resistance area, price difference, I was like, yeah, FOMC would just come and push price down to these areas here. And then we can look for patterns to continue to the upside. So meaning this coming week, this is an area where we will look for trading opportunities. But of course, we just want to get out of here. We have already taken partial profits. Now, the other reason why I want you to always, there's a thing I had shared about having realistic realism, the principle of realism. This is whereby if you're like up 2 to 3, 4% on a particular account, and we have the days are going and the month is about to end, you don't want to mess your trading up. What you do is you want to close up or stop trading on that particular account, especially if you're trading a proper account, or even if it is your own individual account, and then start on a new account. So once you do that, you are managing the urge to want to trade all the time. And that will actually help you to make profits. So looking at GU again, we had, of course, this is an area. This is our price difference candle that has broken above that all the way up to here. Meaning next week or this coming week, we're supposed to look for trading opportunity when price pulls back into this area here. Gives us a confirmation, then we can take it to the upside. But we needed to trade during the week, and FOMC was also around the corner. So we had to improvise and look at the market. So if you study GU carefully here, you realize price has been going up in this manner, dragging, and then forms a high. And then this resistance with the price difference here, we knew that price is actually going to drop and before it can come into this area. So that is basically why we had these two trades. So like I had said, all our trades for the week, they will always be on YouTube. So you can check we drop signals every weekend for the possible trades we are looking at. Now we have GU and the dollar where we will be monitoring throughout the week. And the moment the trades are ready, I usually send them into the group and everything is open source. And usually, guys, if you have any question, you can be able to inbox us on Telegram. You reach out to us, you will be able to be answered. So that's how we trade. And let's see how this week is going to play out. Of course, the last video we had here, this other trade here, we didn't quite get what we wanted, but it is what it is. We improvised and made profits on another account, on other pairs. Now, let's see how this week is going to play out. And we are on the last, this is the last days of the month of March. So what you want to do is you don't want to give back all the money that you've made with us, give it back to the market. What you need to do is that if you still have the urge to want to trade again, you start on a fresh account, portion your account into different sizes, and then start on a fresh account. And then from there, you can continue to trade normally until you've withdrawn whatever you've made, whether it's a prop firm or it is your own individual account. And that is how actually you make money. You don't make money by making it and giving it up to the market. You have to be wise about that. So you can check out the Telegram group for any more updates that we will be having.